Typically, there are time periods within which a person must file suit or their claims may be forever barred. The limitation periods are set forth in statutes, and hence they're called statutes of limitation. In a copyright infringement action, a person has 3 years from the time of the time the claim accrued to file suit. But knowing when the claim accrued is important. For example, if a sample of a sound recording of a musical composition is copied into a new recording, the copyright owner whose work was copied will have to file suit and assert his claims within 3 years. The question is, when does the 3 years run? Is it from when the copyright owner actually finds out, or is it when the act of infringement occurs? What happens where a country song is infringed in a rap song, and there's no reason for the copyright owner to know that his work was used in a genre of music that he doesn't listen to? The time period does not begin to run generally until a reasonable person in the shoes of the copyright owner would have discovered the infringement. Generally, the cause of action for infringement accrues when one has knowledge of the violation or is charged with knowing that there is a violation of an actual infringement. There are some courts that hold that claims accrue when the act of infringement occurs, so when the copying occurs, whether the copyright owner knows it or not. As recently as March in 2014, the U.S. Supreme Court recognized that a majority of courts in the United States have adopted the discovery rule, but the Supreme Court did not endorse or reject that approach. So if the infringement is a continuing infringement, a party may only go back 3 years from the time of filing suit, even if the infringing acts started years before, provided, of course, there is actually an infringement occurring during the relevant 3-year period. So if our country song copyright owner finds out in 2014 that his song was infringed in a rap song released in 2005, the owner only may recover for the 3 years that precede the filing of his lawsuit. Provided one has a valid cause of action, it really is best to file as soon as practicable. Do not delay, as valuable rights may be lost.